Hello Rust Club and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be teaching you guys how you can connect to Wiimmfi or the servers that continue the old Wi-Fi servers for the Nintendo Wii. So first select Wii Options, then Wii Settings. Scroll right and select Internet, Connection Settings, then select the connection you want to use and then click Change Settings. Scroll right until you see Auto Obtain DNS, select No and Advanced Settings, then type in these two DNSs. Although the secondary DNS is optional, it just connects to the Google servers, so it's completely optional. And once you have typed in these DNSs, click Confirm, then click Save. It will now initialize a connection test, so just wait for it to connect to the internet. If it asks for a Wii as an update, just select No. Then just select Back. Then boot up which game you want to play. Only some just work, and I know for sure Mario Kart Wii is one of those, so we'll boot up that one. I know there are some other ones like Smash Bros, and I think it's like Animal Crossing 2. And then here we go, just select the file you want to use and then go down to where it says Nintendo WFC, and then just select how many players you want to play with. I'll just play one, so I'm playing by myself. It's going to connect to Wiimmfi. It's going to say Nintendo WFC, but it's actually connecting to Wiimmfi. So just give it a second, let it connect to the internet. Won't take too long. And then it will show three options: worldwide, regional, and friends. I'm just gonna select worldwide. And then you can select to play battle or versus. I'm just gonna select versus. And then choose your combo. I'll do Funky Kong, Flame Runner, and Manual Drift. And then almost instantly it will find your room. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace!